Hi guys, welcome to the unboxing and quick review of this LDNIO extension cord with maximum power of up to 1250 watts, which is suitable for most of the things but not for everything. I think the possible maximum is around 1800, like for hair dryers or so, but if you don't have a maximum wattage device, then this could work for almost everything. The idea here is to have a 5-in-1, so we are of course also using one plug and we get the 3-prong plug back, but we gain 2 USB-C and 2 USB-A outlets, and of course a lot of additional safety, like for overcurrent, overheating, over voltage and all those things. It has a lot of safety built in. And what's really super important is that it's using GaN power, GaN technology, and provides a PD of up to 65 watts. And here's also some description, but I'm going to take it out of the box, show you everything, and then test it for the maximum power. And so this is what we get in the box. There is nothing else. I think no instructions manual, but I mean it's an extension cord, it's not rocket science. Cable is solid, very long, I would say good quality. Comes also with this protection, comes with 3-prong pin, so you can use it here. I would say it's nice small plug here. That's also something which is really convenient, so there would fit another one easily here. And so again we have this 3-prong outlet here back, so there's absolutely no loss, but we are not gaining one, of course. It's just 1-to-1, but of course what we gain are the 2 USB-C and USB-A outlets. By the way, we have also a description of the maximum power, what's possible here in the back. That's pretty interesting. So let's plug in this USB tester directly here, and we can see there's a lot of compatibility, lot of green. We have a maximum voltage on the USB-A of up to 20 volts. Maybe let's try with a more traditional tester. Yeah, we see 5 volts, 2 amps, 10 watts. So we can increase the power even more. You can see easily 15 watts, 20 watts. Now we had a cut off, but that was really a lot of power. And when we remove the device and plug it in again, power comes back, so it looks like there is some nice protection, but we had a cut off at around 4 amps. I mean, that's really a lot. Yeah, we can test it again to see where it exactly cuts off. Yeah, a little bit before 4 amps. Then let's test USB-C as well. And we can see the result here has a lot of compatibilities, even PPS up to 65 watts. And we can see confirmation about the triggering also here. And so we can increase the voltage up to 21.5 volts. So let's do a ramp up test here on the USB-C, and it definitely works. The cutoff was at 21.4 volts with 4.2 amps. That's way above 80 watts. So I'm trying here even a longer power test with PD with 80 watts because we had such good result before. So let's start here, and we can see the power. It's around 80 watts here, and it's not cutting off. So this proves that it's delivering a lot of power. You can hear the fan. Yeah, I have to stop this thing here. So it's quiet again, and we have been proving that it is super powerful, definitely even more than 80 watts peak at PD. And I mean, it's also a very beautiful modern device, something which fits for the modern times where we have more need for USB outputs than for normal 110 volts output. So it's a really interesting device. If you're interested, I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description so you can check it out and order it right from there if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.